Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorial by a code generator. Myself Hetvi. Today in this tutorial we will discuss about a pattern program. We need output like this. Let's see how to do this program. Before going to the program, we will see what was the requirement of program. First one is the input. We will ask user to enter input how many row he want. Second one is a for loop. For this program we need two loops, that is first row and second one is a column. So for a row we need one for loop and for the column we need another for loop. And the third is a range function. We are using range function. We are already discussed about range function in our tutorial. I will again explain you how to use range. First, write a range 0 to 11. In a range function, we will pass two input. First one is a starting and another one is the ending point. For loop is used with a range function. Fourth one is a print function. Write a print function I. In Python for loop we are not using a semicolon. Instead of we can use the colon. Now run this program. Print 1 to 10. Now we are going to do pattern program. Let's start. N equals to 5. We can use a first for loop. For loop I stand for rows in a range. 1 is the beginning up to n plus 1. Now colon. Another for loop is used for a colon in a range. Same as I started with 1 colon I plus 1 colon. Now print star and ends with space. Now print. Now let's see. Run this program. Okay, now see the output of pattern program. Let's see what a program can say. We can take a variable as n equals to 5. Then a for loop I is for row. Okay, come to in a range start with 1 n plus 1. So the value is between 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 5. Okay. Now first I equals to 1, beginning of the part. Then next go to a J loop, and here it range is start with 1 to I plus 1. So here is a range is 1 to I plus 1 is equal to 2. So it gives 1 and value is a 1 here. So it will go to print statement and it print the 1 star and then check the end statement. It will give the space and again it go to a for loop, but here the range function it will give only the one value at a time it already has been executed, so we got a 4 star. Then control is go to a next line. Now here again it will go to for loop. Now I is equals to 2. Then 2. Now it again go to a for loop because I is equals to 2 here, and I plus 1, that is a 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 it will give 1 2 star. Now it will give the 1 and a print 2 star. Next it will print again and go to a 1 2 and 3. Then it will again print the 3 again and again, go into a loop up to condition is a not become a true. We can see 5 star pattern program. Okay, now thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you next video. Bye guys.